chef. Let's get cooking. Chef Maia. Everything's good. Chef Maia. Everything's good. I make food like you should. And when I make food, everything's good. My name's Maia, Chef Maia. Let's get cooking. Turn up the fire. Chef Maia. Everything's good. Chef Maia. Everything's
And I'm Jazzy, and I'm Maia. I'm the sister of Chef Maia.
Chef Maia. Everything's good. Chef Maia. Everything's good. And just wait till I'm the chefiest chef in the universe.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Chef Maia. Everything's good. Today is October 14th. 17 more days until Halloween. So I'm going to show you guys my Halloween jack-o'-lantern that I made. I'm submitting it.
Submitting it for
My school's jack-o'-lantern competition. So let me show you guys. This. Say hello to the SpongeBob jack-o'-lantern. Half monster, half SpongeBob. It looks amazing, right? I know, right? So I'm submitting that. But today, for the thing that we're gonna make, we are making toasted pumpkin seeds. So while I was making this jack-o'-lantern yesterday, I fixed it today by painting it yellow and stuff. I finished the monster part yesterday, doing the regular part today, and I finished that, so it's all good. Now the only thing that we need is a little light thingy, a plastic though, and a little plastic thing that makes spooky sounds. So I'm gonna put that in my jack-o'-lantern, put it outside, take a picture for the competition, and you'll see if I win or not. But yeah, so today we are making toasted pumpkin seeds. So again, while I was making this, I had to take out the seeds because my family loves to eat toasted pumpkin seeds. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make that right now. So see you guys. So the first thing you want to do is get a pumpkin. Now, you just need a pumpkin. You cut the top open so you can easily open it up. And so once you have that done, you want to start taking out the pumpkin guts. Yeah, I know, it's very weird, but it has a bunch of seeds in there, so you want to take all those seeds out. If you can't take all of them out, then I guess you can throw them away. But I try to take out most as I can, but I did leave a big amount in the trash can, so don't worry. But with those pumpkin seeds, you want to go ahead and wash them off until there's no like pumpkin stuff on it. And so every seed should look like, wait. It's so, let me, okay. Well, that was a waste. Okay. This is what every pumpkin seed should look like. Now, there's still some pumpkin stuff. Try to wash it off. Also, I would not recommend eating these raw. I mean, I tried it just because I'm a chef. I have to try everything, you know. So like, it's decent, but I wouldn't recommend eating it though. But it tastes way better when it's toasted with spice, salt, and pepper. It's delicious. So, again, got some pumpkin seeds, wash them off, lay them on a pan with foil or parchment paper, or, yeah. So I'll see you guys next. For this recipe, we will be needing the pan, like I said, olive oil, salt, pepper, and paprika, just a little bit. So what you want to do, let me wash these again. There's some pumpkin on it, so be right back. Okay, so I cleaned them off once again. They look good now. So what I want to do is pat them with a paper towel until they're dry. Then you want to go ahead and get your olive oil. Put some on there. You can put a lot. I put a lot, really a lot. But now what we want to do, put some salt on there. You can put a lot if you want. But try and spread the pumpkin seeds out. Just try. And then, so I think that's enough. Whoa, okay. Going on, so now what you want to do is put some pepper on that. Again, you can put any amount really. And you can also add these spices right after you toast them, but I recommend putting them on before. But if you think you need more, then you can always put some more on there. Want to get some paprika, so let's do that. Now that we got a little bit of paprika, as you see, we're gonna sprinkle. Let me put it in my hand so I don't put a. Okay, I'm about to sneeze. I think it was the pepper and paprika. Okay, we'll see if I sneeze, but I'm not gonna sneeze on top of these because that's just disgusting, Maya. Alright, but like, just sprinkle it on there, nice and good. Oh my gosh, look. Wow. Okay. Just try and like, wow. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm just gonna put a little bit more salt. You can tell that it needs a little bit more salt. Okay. I think that's good. So we're gonna pop these in the oven for like, I'm gonna put it on 350. I think that's reasonable. So I'm gonna put this in for 15 minutes or 10. So I'll see you guys next. And then that will be our big reveal on how they taste. Hey guys, welcome back. So we just got these out of the oven. We put it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, and they taste really good so far. I'm gonna show you guys. So they should look like this. They should kind of look the same, but this is just one little pumpkin seed that we toasted, and we're gonna try. This is really good. They just crunch in your mouth. It's like chips, but for the fall. And like, if you put spice on it, it's way better. I might eat all of these. I'm not sure. But my family really likes these too, so I have to save some. But I might have to make more because I am carving another pumpkin today. So, yeah, that's how you make toasted pumpkin seeds. So, I'll see you guys next. Bye! I won't see you guys next. Bye! And also, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notifications bell so you get, receive the message every single time I post something. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!